Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 19th, 2025, and we're diving into Flowserve's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year of 2024. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Flowserve, a leader in flow control products and services, has just released their financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from their strategic initiatives to their financial performance.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Flowserve reported a net revenue of $1.18 billion for the fourth quarter, which is a 1.3% increase compared to last year. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The revenue growth, albeit modest, is supported by strong bookings, particularly in the power sector, which saw a 40% increase year over year. The gross margin also improved significantly to 32.8%, up by 300 basis points, indicating effective cost management and operational efficiencies.
And what about their earnings performance?
Flowserve's adjusted earnings per share came in at 70 cents, slightly above the previous year's 68 cents. This reflects a 2.9% increase, driven by a 22% rise in adjusted operating income to $149 million, showcasing their ability to convert sales into profits effectively.
Strategic initiatives and market position. Flowserve has been focusing on strategic initiatives like their 3D strategy. How has this impacted their market position?
The 3D strategy has been pivotal in driving top-line growth and expanding margins. With $618 million in aftermarket activity and over $110 million in nuclear awards, Flowserve is capitalizing on robust market demand and decarbonization investments. CEO Scott Rowe emphasized the strong momentum they carry into 2025 thanks to these strategic efforts.
It sounds like they're well-positioned for future growth.
Indeed, their focus on operational execution and complexity reduction through the 80/20 initiative is expected to create long-term value for stakeholders.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, analysts were forecasting an EPS of 77 cents for Flowserve. How did the actual results compare?
Flowserve reported an adjusted EPS of 70, which fell short of the forecasted 77. Despite this, the company still achieved a 2.9% growth in EPS compared to the previous year. Looking ahead, their 2025 guidance projects an EPS range of $3.10 to $3.30, indicating confidence in continued growth.
What does this mean for investors?
While the shortfall might concern some, the strong guidance for 2025 suggests that Flowserve is optimistic about its future performance, driven by strategic initiatives and market opportunities.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's talk about operational efficiencies and the future outlook. How is Flowserve performing in these areas?
Flowserve generated $197 million in operating cash flow, highlighting strong earnings and working capital improvements. For 2025, they anticipate sales growth of 5% to 7%, supported by organic growth and acquisitions. Additionally, the board authorized a quarterly dividend of 21 cents per share, reflecting their commitment to returning value to shareholders.
And what are the key drivers for their future growth?
CEO Scott Rowe mentioned the robust market activity and the company's strategic focus on operational execution and complexity reduction. These efforts are expected to drive long-term value creation for customers and shareholders alike.
Key takeaways. In summary, Flowserve has shown resilience with a slight revenue increase and improved profitability despite missing the EPS forecast. Their strategic initiatives and strong guidance for 2025 suggest a positive outlook. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Flowserve's performance.
Thank you to our viewers for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Flowserve's performance in the comments below.